So today I'm sort of in a rush, but because I bought some parts and I don't have time to drive all the way to where my shop is to get the material lift, the engine lift, I bought one from Harbor Freight. So I'm gonna take it out of the box, put it together today. So if that interests you, stick around. So here we go, and I'm gonna do a time lapse of me putting this together, because I got about 20 minutes to put it together, and then I got to be rolling to go pick up the rest of that motor stuff. So here we go. So there it is, assembled. I just got to tighten it up, and then I'm on my way. I would like to say that I'm not impressed with the weld quality. Look at that weld. I could probably do better, but you know, I don't know what to do, but it'll work for today. So that's the time lapse of putting together my Harbor Freight 1-ton engine hoist. I'll put the part number below, and if you got any questions, you know, please put them there, and I'll have a video of me using it, and then I'm gonna review it eventually. But you know, first off, the build quality doesn't seem to be that great, but it should work. So thanks for watching, and if you liked it, please subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day.